Hi there, I'm John from CNCKing.com, and today we're going to laser engrave some black walnut. For this specific project, the customer already had the black walnut tray made, but technically we have all the equipment in the shop to make it as well. So you can see on the back you have these handle things, and on the front you have the laser engraving that we did. So what's special about this project here is the customer actually will be finishing it themselves. So there's a dull finish already on it, but they'll be doing some resin filling for here. So this will all be resin filled, and then they're going to sand the whole thing flush. I don't know what color they're going to use for the resin fill, but it should look pretty neat. And the nice thing about resin fill is it's a great way to add color permanently to wood. Like if you use paint or that kind of stuff, it would be on a very thin layer. But with resin, you actually fill in the cavity. So here I have roughly, I'd say about 1/8 of an inch deep in the black walnut. And that's plenty for resin work and filling it up so that the customer can finish it up in their shop. So when it comes to your design options, they're completely endless. In this case here, we just have text. It's actually Italian. But if you wanted, say, images, you wanted another language, you wanted, a hand-drawn sketch put onto wood, that's not a problem. We have all the equipment here in the shop to do it. Additionally, if you actually wanted us to manufacture those items, we actually have a CNC router as well, an industrial one that can easily work through black walnut. So nothing here is out of the realm of total customization that we can offer you as a customer. So if you're looking for custom laser engraving or wood manufacturing, contact me at CNCKing.com. We'll make it for you and ship it right to your door.